What's up guys, Major here and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your NIN to your number using the NIMC mobile app. So before we get straight to the video, I want to thank you guys that have been coming back to watch my videos, my old subscribers. And if you're a new subscriber and you are watching this video, please, I want you to pause this video and please make sure that you click subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive new updates when I post a video. So with that being said, let's get straight to the video. So once you open the app, you'll be greeted with this new interface. So you'll be greeted with it, and the one we're going to be using today is link my numbers. So you have to click link my numbers. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you that you have 3 days to link your NIN to your mobile number, or the federal government is actually going to block you online. They've ordered the ISPs, the mobile network providers or the internet service providers to block whoever has not linked his or her NIN in 3 days time. So please, I don't want to lose you guys, so please do well to link your NIN to your line. So what you have to be doing, you click add mobile number. So when you click on it, you put the mobile number you want to link to your NIN. So quick tip, you can only add 7 numbers to your NIN. So what the message here is that a Nigerian citizen is allowed to own not more than 7 numbers or 7 SIM cards. You have to put the number you want. When you put the number, you have to click next. You must make sure that you have active internet connection. When you click on it, they are going to send you an OTP to the line, the number you just put. So once they send you the OTP, you have to repeat the OTP they sent to you. So you have to repeat the OTP. So when you click on it. So if I've actually linked this number before. So if you have linked the number before, is going to tell you that you cannot link this. You cannot provide 2 numbers. So you cannot provide a number twice. So I'm just going to put the last code of the OTP so you can see that for yourself. You can also pause the video so you can be able to see it. So you can see it right there. But once you've not added that number before, what it's going to do is that it is going to link that particular number. It's going to tell you successful and to link that number to your line. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, please, and you've made it so far to this video, I put in so much effort to make this video for you guys. So please don't forget to like this video, give it a very big thumbs up, and also comment if you have any problem in the comment box. And please do not forget, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video, and Major out.